In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation sidebar on a Notion page. We'll keep things simple and approachable, and by the end, you'll have a clean two-column layout with a functional sidebar that makes your workspace easier to navigate. Start on any Notion page. To split the page into columns, use the / command by typing column, then choose the option for two columns. Notion will place your content into two side-by-side areas. Think of the left column as your navigation sidebar and the right column as your main content area. Next, adjust the width of the columns so they work the way you want. Hover between the two columns until you see the vertical handle, then click and drag to resize. Shorten the left column to create a compact sidebar and give the right column more room so your main content has space to breathe. This little tweak makes the layout feel intentional and keeps your focus on the content area. Now, move over to the main content area and start placing your information there. You can drag existing blocks into the right column or add new ones using the / command. Add headings, text, lists, images, whatever you need for your page. Keeping this space clear and well organized will make your sidebar even more useful because it will act as a quick way to jump to different pages or sections. For the sidebar itself, it's time to personalize it. Begin with a callout block to serve as a simple title or header for the sidebar. Type #callout, add a short label like navigation, and if you want, customize the icon or color so it stands out visually. This makes the sidebar easy to spot at a glance. Under that callout, add the pages you want to link to. Type page to create a new page block. Each page block becomes a clickable link that opens a full page, so you can connect your dashboard to notes, projects, or resources. Add as many as you need, and arrange them in the order that makes the most sense. You can drag the page blocks up or down to reorder them, and keep labels short and clear so navigation stays quick. And there you go. You've split your Notion page into two columns, resized them to create a compact navigation sidebar, set up your main content area, and added a titled sidebar with linked pages to make it functional. That's all you need to build a clean, effective navigation sidebar on a Notion page.